guys, it's Zahra here and it's another episode, and today we'll be going to Oxford City Centre to see the things we haven't seen for a long time, like universities, libraries and loads of shops. We might even buy some ice cream. Yay! So right now we're cycling on a popular road called Woodstock Road, and this is also the way to my school, and there are also loads of popular universities, and this is also the way to my school. The roads are really deserted. It wasn't like this before lockdown, and I'm getting really used to it now. We're passing by St Anne's College, and there's lots of colleges around here, and most of the colleges here are a few hundred years old. This is Green Templeton College, and this is also a few hundred years old, and it obviously being Sunday, it's closed. The building I'm standing in front of now, which is behind me right now, it is called the Radcliffe Observatory, and it was built in 1773, and the statue in front of it is John Radcliffe. He was a famous physician in the 1700s. This used to be the Radcliffe Infirmary. It was a very old hospital, and my mum used to work here a very long time ago, and now it's been turned into a museum. These are some posters about suffragette, and before the 1900s women weren't allowed to vote, and after a big movement, like in 1920, women were allowed to vote. And isn't that interesting? We are standing in front of what used to be Radcliffe Infirmary, and I'm going to tell you a little fact about this place. The first dose of penicillin was given here in this building in 1941. This is St Giles's Road. It's where Woodstock Road and Mandole Road meets up, and this is also where City Centre starts. So this is where City Centre. On my right, just there, is the Ashmolean Museum. It has lots of artefacts, architectures, sculptures, statues and other things that museums have. And just opposite it, there's the Randall, and it's another famous place in Oxford. This is one of my favourite bookshops, and there's a book that I've been wanting to read for a long time, and we're going to get it, and it's called The World's Worst Children by David Walliams. I love David Walliams' books. So let's go buy it. I don't know if there's more stairs. This whole floor is full of children books, so it might take a long time to find the book I want. Let's keep searching. If I could read super fast, like super fast, I'd love to read all of these books. But that would take a long time if I couldn't read super fast. I finally found it. The World's Worst Children and the Beast of Buckingham. Finally. I don't actually know what this book is, and I chose another book, which is a dog or puppy, which has a horn and a unicorn tail and a badge, whatever that is. I bought my books. It will take me about a week to read these 2 books. And for Safeeya, it will take her a week to read her books. This is Broad Street, where we'll be showing you most of the buildings and places that we'll be going to. On my far right, there is a building with a dome over there, and it is called Sheldonian Theatre, and graduation ceremonies are held there, and music concerts. Because of lockdown, everything is locked and closed, but normally it's buzzing with people. But this is where some of the Harry Potter parts was shot. If it was open, we would have shown you inside, but as it's closed. This is the Radcliffe camera. It is a university library. History Museum, and unfortunately it's locked, as you can probably see. I'd love to take you inside, but as you know, it's locked. There's loads of cool animal bones and fossils and lots of other museum-y things. Did I forget to tell you that Oxford is a very bike-friendly city? Without lockdown here, Oxford would be filled with bikes. We finally got home, and it was a really nice journey on our bikes. It was much quicker and easier and much faster. We'll see you next time. Goodbye!